Hello, and welcome to another CN-Series Snippet. My name is Spencer Tellman, and I'm a Container Security Product Manager at Palo Alto Networks. Today we'll be discussing the inbound threat prevention use case for CN-Series, which is our containerized next-generation firewall. So here we see a graphical representation of the architecture of one of our largest customers, which is an online gifting company in the United States. The story here is as follows. Prior to CN-Series, the customer would set up and deploy a Kubernetes cluster for each of their containerized apps. This gave rise to both low resource utilization and high cost. So the customer came to us with the goal of centralizing all of their containerized apps into one Kubernetes cluster. However, this led to the following challenge, which is that the customer now had multiple apps of differing security, compliance, and risk levels all running within the same environment. So they needed a solution which would help them to enforce policies of different strictness levels across multiple apps within the same Kubernetes cluster, which is exactly what CN-Series can do. And this was all further complicated by the fact that this customer was required to remain compliant with PCI. So here's how they did it. This customer deployed CN-Series within their GKE cluster. And they enforced particularly strict policies on their payment processing application in order to remain compliant with PCI, and less strict policies on their other applications, such as App 1 and App 2. And so this, in combination with our cloud-delivered security services, threat prevention, and Wildfire in this case, enabled the customer to be both compliant with PCI, centralize all of their applications in one cluster, and ensure that they were protected both on an inbound and east-west plane. So if you're interested in learning more about our use cases and the CN-Series product as a whole, I would suggest you take a look at these two resources. Firstly, our Speakeasy, which is available on YouTube, and secondly, the next snippet, in which we will be covering CN-Series licensing. On behalf of the CN-Series product management team, I'd like to thank you for attending this session today. And I look forward to sharing more details on the CN-Series containerized next-generation firewall with you in future snippets. If you're interested in learning more, please take a look at the description, where we've provided helpful links to all things CN-Series. Thank you.